talk about the Weathertechs. The Weathertechs are usually the cream of the crop of floor mats. I did try to get the cheaper brand Element to try them out just to see what it was like, because I had good luck with the RAV4 where I used the OUTBACK brand floor mats, and they're great. They're still great right now, holding up awesome, half the price of Weathertechs. When it came down to this car, the OUTBACK didn't make the set for this Legacy. They make it for the 2015 and up Legacy, but not the older generation. But yeah, so I went ahead and just, $200 Weathertechs, and these are the best quality. Everything fits perfect. Cleaning and maintenance is always super easy on them. It's a solid piece. You take them out, shake them off, rinse them off, apply your dressing or whatever. It's important to note, when you are using the dressing, don't use the stuff with the protectant, because it can make the surface slippery. So you want one where it just kind of brings a shine to it. And once you apply the shine, take a rag and just wipe it off, wipe it dry, so it doesn't get really slick. But other than that, the Weathertechs, highly recommend it. You're gonna pay a lot of money. It's about $200, but you won't ever have to buy another set of floor mats again, ever. So highly recommend it for the Legacy if you have an 05, 09, and you're looking for all-weather alternative. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed that review, and stay safe and take care.